Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. This is a quick walkthrough of the Blessed to Craft projects for this month. Blessed to Craft is basically, it is my card club that I do. I put together 3 basic make and take projects. One of the things I always loved about going to the Stampin' Up! Events is I liked the make and takes. You would go, you'd have this really fun event, and then there'd be tables set up and you could make a project. Now, I always took my stuff home because I like to talk too much. And when I'm talking, I cannot focus on creating. And so I would always take that little bag home, and then I would be able to create with the things that I had at home as well. So if I didn't like one of the stamp sets that they had out on the table, I could use something that I had at home, or different paper, different ribbon, those kinds of things. So a few years back, I decided that I wanted to create a make and take packet for you guys that you could feel the same way. If you love creating a little project, getting a taste for the product, that was always the other really fun aspect about going to Stampin' Up! Events, is maybe I didn't have the brand new paper that was out and maybe I wanted to try it out, and it would give me this great opportunity to make something without having to buy all of the pieces for it. And so I wanted to create that for you. So it is called Blessed to Craft, and you get 3 make and take projects. I will walk you through the product that you get, but let me show you the projects that I made. So this month I am using the Gone Fishing paper and stamp set, and let me show you these projects. Here is the first card, and I love this stamp set. I particularly love the fonts. If you've been following me for very long, you know I'm a sucker for good fonts, and I happen to really love this one. And so here is the first card. I did a fun element on the inside. The second one is a book binding card. I really love these kinds of cards. There's so many different things that you can do with them. So here is the next one. And then for a really fun, different kind of element, I decided to go ahead and make a pretty packaging this month. I don't always do this, but I just really loved the bags. I thought they went really well with this product. And so I went ahead and created a pretty packaging. You could add a little gift in here. This would be really fun to add the card to, and then like a little Hershey's bar. That would be so cute in here. You could also wrap the Hershey's bar with paper. That would be really fun. Maybe I will try to show that in my exclusive video for that. If I remember to do that, that would be a really fun element as well. So in your kit, let me show you what you get. You will get all of the items to make these 3 projects. So you'll get one of the little pretty packaging bags. You will get the card stock and die cuts to make these cards. And then this is what your package will look like. And this month, I'm including a bonus project. So this month, I'm including one of these really fun scalloped boxes, and that is what is right in here. And I will have an exclusive bonus video showing you ways you can decorate this box and fun things you can do with that just to go along with this month's projects. And then you will get a quarter pack of this designer paper, which is the Gone Fishing designer paper. I really love this paper. You can see I've used quite a bit of it. I used a lot of this in our recent paper party, and I was surprised that I used so much of it. There were just so many different projects that I really loved doing that I really ended up using quite a bit of this. So you get a quarter pack of the paper, and it is cut to 6 by 6. It is right here in the back. You will get one of the pretty packaging bags. There's several different colors, so it'll just depend on what color you get. And then you will get a set of rhinestones as well. And then this month, and I'm not positive where it is, I will also be including some of these beautiful blue sequins. They are not Stampin' Up! Sequins, but they just happen to go really well with this project, and I love them. So I'm gonna include a few of those, and they will be in the corner down here center of your package, and then your card kits will be included as well. So you can get all of this, dump it all out, and then make some really beautiful projects. There is definitely enough paper in here for you to make multiple projects, not just the ones that you will have the kits for, but you can dive in and use this more. And then definitely you'll be able to put this box together. If you like what I do on the exclusive video, you will be able to use the paper to do the box as well. So this is the Blessed to Craft Make and Take project. It's $35. And then the other really cool feature when you sign up to do the Blessed to Craft is you can get the stamp set or the bundle. I offer both. And you don't pay shipping and you don't pay tax. It's a little bonus to being a part of the Blessed to Craft community. And you will just let me know. I always create a link. I send that out. You can click on it and pay for it, and then you don't pay shipping, you don't pay tax. I just include this in your package for the month when you get all of your goodies. If you don't want to sign up for the subscription and you don't want to do the Blessed to Craft subscription, I also always offer this as a class, so you can just purchase the class. The class is going to come with the stamp set and then all of the pieces, and it is basically just purchasing the stamp set, and then there is a little fee for the card kit and the product. All of those options will be down below and in my blog post. Of course, you can see those, and then you can choose whichever one works for you to come and join us and put together these projects. You get a PDF with all of the measurements for each of the projects, so that's really easy to follow, and then you get an exclusive video of me putting this together. This month you will get 2 videos, one of the projects that you see here, and then one with the bonus video of the box. So if you have any questions, you can for sure let me know. If you love making cards and you want to do some more masculine cards, that's definitely what these are more masculine cards. I would love to have you join with one of those options below. Also, starting tomorrow, July 6th, we are not in June anymore. July 6th, there's a whole bunch of really fun things that are going on. Bonus day starts, so every $50 you spend before shipping and tax, you get a $5 bonus coupon to spend at a later date. And then the clearance rack is being refreshed, so there are brand new items on the clearance rack. You know, my favorite things to pick up on the clearance rack are, of course, designer paper, ribbon, and then punches, and there's a whole bunch of those added to that as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me just to take a look at these projects. Again, I really love the way these came out. I had a really good time creating them. I got to use the new boho blue color from Stampin' Up. That's a brand new in color, along with the wild wheat, which is what this color is here. So that was a lot of fun to do, and I would love for you to come join us. I will be back tomorrow with another Project Life album video. I haven't had one in a couple weeks, and I am excited to jump back into my album and share a process video with you. So we'll be back to crafting tomorrow. So thank you everybody for joining me. Make sure you check out those links below or in my on my blog post, and I will catch you tomorrow in my next video. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to check out my video. Here are some photos of the projects that I did, and a great example of how I am taking some other products in my craft room that either I have or some products that are new to the crafting industry that I'm loving, and using them on my Stampin' Up projects, like the stickles that you see here on these fishes. They are so cute, and they add the perfect touch to these projects. And then of course the sequins I talked about, I love. And then here on the screen are 2 more of my videos that you can check out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and like this video so that YouTube knows that you are enjoying the content, and YouTube will be nice to me. So I appreciate you so much, and I will catch you in my very next video. Have a wonderful day.